Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. Of course, an apology is in order for the lack of content, but since moving to Canada, I've been doing a lot more jobs in the industry. And today, I kind of just wanted to show you something I've been using a lot recently. And hey, it's just another way to start showing you more film-related content. So this is the Vaxis Storm 1000. It's a wireless video transmission unit, which is capable of sending a 1080p feed with zero delay up to 1,000 feet in direct line of sight. Now, I know this isn't the most sexy of topics, but when you're filming or on set, this piece of equipment changes the fundamentals of how you might work. Vaxis aren't well-known. Companies like Teradek are the go-to ones for wireless transmission, but the downside is that super hefty price tag. Honestly speaking, I've never really had a good experience from the Teradek Bolt, so it was a surprise when a friend showed me this Vaxis unit, and since, honestly, it's been flawless. And the fact that it's considerably cheaper is a huge bonus. Now, of course, there are a ton of combinations and setups when it comes to this sort of thing, especially with the new all-in-one solutions from companies like Spawn HD. But I love the flexibility of keeping things separate, and this is just what works best for me. You know, so when the time comes, you can change the screen or even upgrade the wireless. So this is a great way of letting the director, focus puller, or let's say even the hair and makeup artist see what's going on without consistently having to be over your shoulder. It's always a pain having to mess with cables every time you want to move, and then you have to try and keep everyone safe from tripping over. This job is all about efficiency, and this is why I like the Vaxis system in particular. It's easy to set up, it's plug and play, it always works, and just lets me get on with the things that are more important. So you turn on your camera, plug an output into either the HDMI or SDI, and then on the receiver end, you take that output to your monitor. That's it. This has an SDI loop too, meaning that if you use an on-camera monitor, then you don't lose out. Powering is also pretty simple as it all runs off standard D-taps. It's well built, all from metal, and doesn't take up much footprint, which is important when you're building out your camera. But what I really appreciate though is that the receiver has multiple outputs. This means that the focus puller can be using one monitor and the director can be using their own. Let's say your production is bigger, then one transmitter can also be casted up to 10 receivers. Again, simplicity just keeps the mess down. The point I'm trying to make though is that for those of you who operate in this realm, this small tool can help save a bunch of time and just make things move a lot faster. It allows things to be more dynamic too. So for instance, I was shooting in a car at one point and the director was in another one behind. I operated on set where the client was on one end and I was on the other end. It's just a way that allows everyone to work more comfortably without having to compromise the vision. If you're just getting into the business, then obviously something like this could be hugely off-putting due to the price, but there are some truly great options coming out. One I definitely think you should check out is Caleb from DSLR Video Shooter, where he shows you how you can even DIY something like this. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Anyways, guys and girls, this was just a quick video to show you a tool that I've been using a lot recently. Let me know what you think about this kind of stuff and if you want more. Lastly, thank you to the guys over at Sawmill Creative. They've been awesome and they lent me this unit to try and make this video for you guys. Take it easy and I'll see you soon.